my name is Priska Cynthia from Group 6. In this video, I will discuss about hyponymy and synonymy. The first is hyponymy. Hyponymy is a relationship between two words in which the meaning of one word includes the meaning of the other word. According Thomas Ed Zimmerman, hyponymy is the relation of inclusion. Okay. Lexical relations corresponding to the inclusion of one class in another is hyponymy. A hyponymy is a subordinate specific term whose referent is included in the reference of superordinate term. For example, there are blue, green, yellow, and black. We can say blue, green, yellow, and black are hyphonym of color, while the color is a superordinate or hypheronym of blue, green, yellow, and black. And superordinate can have many hyphonyms. This relation is often portrayed as one of inclusion. Hyphonym is often defined in terms of entailment between sentences which differ only in respect of the lexical items being tested. This is blue, green, yellow, black entails, but it's not entailed by this is color. Another example, uh, sentence 1A and B. River is collie. Sentence B. River is dog. Sentence 2AB. There are tulips in the vase. There are flowers in the vase. The relationship between the sentences are analogous. The term collie is a hyphonym for dog, and tulip is a hyphonym of flower. Dog and flower are the hypheronym or superordinate of the collie and the tulip. And we can also say a collie is a dog and tulip is a flower. Okay. If we note that the denotation of the hyphonym is included in the denotation of the superordinate, like the set of all collies is included in the set of all dogs, but the meaning of the superordinate is included the meaning of the hyphonyms, like the characteristic of being a dog is part of the characteristic of being a collie. Okay, we can join two of these sentences with and. Like, for example, Rover is a collie and Rover is a dog. We can call the sentences as tautology. Tautology is a sentence with two predications such that one entails the other. Okay. We can represent the relationship between a set of words such as a hierarchical diagram. The relationship between the general term and the specific instance is often be described using a hierarchical diagram called taxonomy. Okay, this is the example of taxonomy. There are Chihuahua, Dalmatian, and Irish Setter. This word, Chihuahua, Dalmatian, and Irish Setters are hyphonyms of dogs. Hyphonyms of dogs. And dogs is a hypheronym or superordinate of Chihuahua. Dogs, hyphonym of living beings. And this is two or more terms which share the same superordinate terms are called hophonyms. Okay, the next is synonymy. Synonymy are two or more forms which have the same meaning or closely related meaning which are often but not always interchangeable in a sentence. Or we can say synonymy is used to mean sameness of meaning. For example, sentence A, Jack is cement. Sentence B, Jack is sailor. From sentences A and B, we can see that the word cement has the same meaning as sailor. The lexemes cement and sailor are synonyms. Sentences A and B are paraphrases of each other. Paraphrases is central value in sentences. Another example for paraphrases is Mr. Jenkins is our postman. And sentence B, Mr. Jenkins is the person who delivers our mail. These two sentences, which are paraphrases, may differ the way. The sentence, the complex term who delivers our mail is a paraphrase of the simple term our postman, but we don't call it a synonym. Synonyms are typically single lexemes of the same weight. The longer term explains the simple terms, but not the other way around. And as we know, in the language, we often acquire simple terms like postman through some sort of paraphrase. Uh, and synonyms can be nouns, adjectives, or verbs like nouns like toilet or lavatory, like couch, synonyms with sofa, while adjective like large, synonym big, answer, synonym briefly, fast, synonym rapidly, left, synonym departed, and so on.